Welcome to today's video, where we'll explore one of the most exciting and impactful uses of artificial intelligence, AI for climate change. We all know that climate change is one of the biggest challenges of our time, and in the fight to protect our planet, AI is emerging as a powerful tool. Throughout this video, we'll dive into how AI is helping us tackle climate change, from predicting environmental trends to optimizing energy usage, and so much more. Let's begin this journey together and discover how AI is shaping the future of our planet. Climate change is driving global temperatures up, causing rising sea levels, extreme weather events, and unpredictable ecological shifts. The effects are clear and widespread, but what can we do to slow down or reverse these effects? Enter artificial intelligence, AI. AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, predict trends, and optimize systems, is playing a crucial role in climate change solutions. To address climate change effectively, we first need to understand it in greater depth. AI is helping scientists analyze climate data faster and more accurately than ever before. By processing huge datasets from satellites, weather stations, and sensors, AI models can predict long-term climate patterns and identify potential risks such as floods, droughts, and heatwaves. For example, the European Space Agency uses AI to analyze satellite imagery and monitor deforestation in the Amazon. By detecting small changes in vegetation, AI can predict where forests are at risk of being destroyed, providing critical insights for conservation efforts. AI has already improved deforestation monitoring accuracy by 30–40%, allowing for quicker intervention. One of the most impactful ways AI is helping combat climate change is by optimizing renewable energy systems. Solar and wind power are integral to reducing our reliance on fossil fuels, but they can be unpredictable. This is where AI steps in. AI algorithms are improving the efficiency of solar and wind energy generation by predicting weather patterns and adjusting energy production accordingly. AI can forecast when the wind will pick up or when the sun will shine, allowing energy producers to better manage their power grids. In fact, AI-driven systems are now able to increase the efficiency of solar power plants by 20–25% by predicting optimal times for energy production, while reducing energy waste by adjusting output in real time. For wind farms, AI has shown to improve energy production by 15–20%, significantly contributing to cleaner energy outputs. AI is also being used to optimize energy consumption in buildings, homes, and industries. Smart grids, powered by AI, can monitor energy demand and supply in real time, making it possible to distribute electricity more efficiently. This reduces energy waste and helps balance supply and demand without relying on carbon-heavy power plants. For instance, AI can adjust the temperature of buildings based on occupancy, time of day, and weather conditions. This reduces energy consumption significantly. Some studies have shown up to 40% energy savings for smart homes and businesses. Additionally, AI-driven energy management systems have reduced electricity consumption by 10–20% in industrial settings. One of the most promising technologies in the battle against climate change is carbon capture, the process of removing CO2 from the atmosphere. AI plays a key role in making carbon capture more efficient. By optimizing the processes involved in capturing and storing CO2, AI can make this technology more scalable and cost-effective. Researchers are already using AI to enhance the efficiency of carbon capture systems. AI can predict the best conditions for carbon sequestration and optimize the use of materials to absorb CO2. As a result, it could significantly reduce the cost of capturing carbon emissions, making it a viable solution on a larger scale. In fact, AI-powered systems have been shown to reduce operational costs of carbon capture technology by up to 30%. Agriculture is a major contributor to climate change, with farming practices often leading to deforestation, water waste, and methane emissions. However, AI is helping make farming more sustainable. AI-powered technologies are being used to monitor crops, predict yield outcomes, and optimize irrigation. This reduces water consumption and prevents overuse of fertilizers and pesticides, which can contribute to environmental damage. For example, AI-driven drones and sensors can monitor crop health and soil quality, allowing farmers to take precise actions that improve sustainability and reduce waste. AI-powered irrigation systems have reduced water usage by 30–40% in regions like California, where water scarcity is a growing concern. Additionally, AI-powered farming techniques have been shown to increase crop yield by 10–15%, helping to meet global food demands without expanding agricultural land. Waste management is another area where AI is making a big impact in the fight against climate change. AI can help optimize waste collection, sorting, and recycling processes, reducing landfill waste and increasing recycling efficiency. AI systems can sort recyclable materials much faster and more accurately than humans. For instance, AI can identify and separate plastics, metals, and paper from waste streams, making recycling plants more efficient. By improving recycling rates, we reduce the need for raw materials, which ultimately reduces emissions associated with manufacturing. AI has already helped increase recycling efficiency by 20–25% in certain regions, significantly reducing the environmental impact of waste. AI is being used to conserve the world's oceans and forests, both of which are crucial to mitigating climate change. In the oceans, AI is helping track and analyze marine life, monitor coral reefs, and detect illegal fishing activities. This information can be used to protect biodiversity and restore damaged ecosystems. In forests, AI models are being used to monitor deforestation and assess forest health. For instance, AI-powered satellite images can detect illegal logging activities, enabling authorities to take swift action. AI can also help identify areas of forests that need reforestation, helping restore vital carbon sinks. AI models have already helped reduce illegal logging by up to 30%, providing a more effective response to deforestation. Governments around the world are leveraging AI to inform climate policy and decision-making. By analyzing complex datasets, AI can model the impacts of different policy scenarios, helping policymakers choose the best strategies for reducing emissions and achieving climate goals. AI is also being used to assess the effectiveness of existing climate policies. For instance, AI can analyze historical data on carbon emissions and economic factors to predict how certain regulations might impact emissions reductions. This allows governments to make data-driven decisions and accelerate progress toward climate goals. AI models have helped countries design policies that achieve 15–20% more efficient emissions reductions in less time. The transportation sector is one of the largest sources of carbon emissions worldwide. AI is transforming how we think about mobility, making transportation more sustainable and energy efficient. Autonomous vehicles, for example, can be optimized to reduce energy consumption by adjusting driving patterns in real time. In cities, AI-powered traffic management systems can reduce congestion, leading to less idle time and lower emissions. In addition, AI is being used to improve the efficiency of public transportation systems, reducing the reliance on private cars. AI-based traffic systems have been shown to reduce traffic congestion by 15–20%, cutting emissions from idling vehicles. Looking ahead, the potential for AI to combat climate change is vast. As technology continues to evolve, AI will be increasingly capable of addressing climate-related challenges. From more efficient renewable energy production to better carbon capture technologies, AI will play a crucial role in the global transition to a sustainable future. It's important to recognize that AI alone cannot solve climate change. It must be part of a broader effort that includes policy changes, global cooperation, and individual action. However, The power of AI in amplifying our efforts cannot be underestimated. By leveraging AI's capabilities in data analysis, optimization, and innovation, we can make significant strides in the fight against climate change. AI is proving to be an invaluable tool in the fight against climate change. From improving renewable energy efficiency to optimizing waste management, AI is helping us create a more sustainable future. While challenges remain, AI offers the potential to accelerate progress and make a lasting impact on the planet. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of AI for climate change. If you found this video informative and inspiring, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more engaging content. Together, we can harness the power of AI to protect our planet and build a sustainable future for generations to come.